When it comes to the types of fats we consume in our diet, some are better than others. Indeed, some fats are bad for us, and the main culprits here are the saturated fats and the trans fats. Saturated fats are typically found in animal products such as red meat and dairy, and products high in saturated fats are usually solid at room temperature, such as butter. However, some liquid foods such as coconut oil, palm oil, and milk also contain high levels of saturated fats. Trans fats are usually found in foods that contain hydrogenated vegetable oils, such as baked processed goods and deep fried foods. So the bad reputation associated with fats is usually attributed to saturated fats and trans fats, as these two are known to increase the levels of the bad LDL cholesterol in our blood. Trans fats also have the added impact of reducing the levels of the good HDL cholesterol in our blood. However, when it comes to fats in our diet, the news isn't all bad. Undoubtedly, some fats are actually good for us, and these include the unsaturated fats, namely monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Unlike saturated fats, these are liquid at room temperature, such as olive oil. However, they can also be found in products such as nuts and fish. These fats are good for us because they protect us from heart disease by increasing the levels of the good HDL cholesterol in our blood. Prescribing to the belief that all fats are bad for us probably means you believe that low-fat diets are good for us. However, low-fat diets are not necessarily healthier and can, in fact, be more harmful. This is because low-fat diets not only exclude the bad fats from our diet, but also the good ones. In addition, low-fat diets and fat-reduced products are higher in carbohydrates, including sugar. Over time, diets high in carbohydrates contribute just as much to cardiovascular disease as diets high in saturated fats. Overall, fats in the diet are not the problem. It's the types of fats that we consume. The trick to a healthier diet is not to limit our intake of fats below what is required for our body to function properly, but to focus more on choosing foods that contain more good fats than bad fats.